Ladies and gentlemen, brand new Rolling Heritage video, and I have something here next to me which I finally bought, and I have wanting to buy this particular part for a very long time. I'm talking about a brand new Simmons exhaust system for my Volvo 244. So over here we have a full kit of exhaust clamps, of a full downpipe, I don't know what to call it. We have the end tip, and this thing is just so pretty. Let's just get the cover off. Look at this. That's just gorgeous. We have both mufflers, and these are open. And yeah, I'm just pretty freaking happy that I'm finally being able to buy stuff like this for this car. Everything is still hot. I have sprayed everything with WD-40. So I am actually gonna undo all these exhaust clamps right now, because they are still warm and they will come off very easy. So that's what we are gonna do right now. So every single bolt of the original exhaust is now loose. It's almost ready to come off, but it's still freaking hot. So what I did, I ran to the shop next door and just a normal parts supply shop, and what they sell is very simple heat resistant paint. So what I'm actually doing right now, this Simmons exhaust came out of the box already scratched up. I really like this exhaust and I really want it to last. I don't think it will last when the paint is already off when it comes out of the box. So I'm going to show you guys something. Over here, I know it's very bad lighting in here. Over here we have one simple muffler and the downpipe. That's how I call it. But and it's very simple. As you can see, all those scratches, those are all from just laying around in that cardboard box. So what I'm going to do, I have some black heat resistant paint over here, and I'm actually going to use that to spray paint all these exhaust parts you see, of course, except the chrome tip of that one, and then all those pipes. Every single piece will be matte black. Some might not like it because they think this is way prettier. I do know it's galvanized steel, but I still think it's a good job if you just spray paint those. And why? Well, I think this sums it up. Welds are not properly protected. So if you can protect the welds of the new exhaust more than they came out of the factory, it's always a good opportunity. And you can see this exhaust still pretty decent, but also over here, every single piece that has been welded is corroded like crazy. This one, not that bad on the pipe itself, but the steel drum is also corroded. You can see the rust over there. So I'm just gonna spray paint all those parts and then we'll see how that goes. So guys, that one is painted, that one is painted, that one is painted, and the rear muffler is painted. So the most of the exhaust is now in a fresh color of fresh coat of black heat resistant paint. I don't have enough paint for the straight pipes, but I don't really worry about those. The thing I was worrying about are just these welds, and since these don't have any welds, I will just sand it. I think I do have some silver paint, so I can try to paint them silver, but this is also not very much, so yeah, we'll see. First we're gonna let that dry, and by the way, just hanging them on your torque rod is just, yeah, perfect. So guys, the complete Simmons exhaust is underneath the car, and I'm pretty happy, especially about painting those muffler pieces, because it just looks great with them being matte black. Let's take a look. Car is all the way up right now. Look at this tip. That just looks amazing. It's so much bigger than the original one. And just for reference, this wasn't even the original tip. I got this one from my 245, so I think it's just an aftermarket one. But look at the difference. It fits in there easily. So yeah, pretty happy with that. So from here we go to the final damper, and then we go to the front, over the rear axle, past the spring. Then we go down into this one, and then we run it to the front onto the new downpipe, which is connected with the new gasket over there. So this all looks amazing. Of course, when you're tightening these down, take a look where the opening is. So I like to put one side of this opening on one side, so one half is this bracket and the other half is that. In that way you clamp them real good together. And this same, that one over there is the same. And then we have the last two. do have to say that I hate these clamps. I love it when they are just a tad bigger. The white Volkswagen clamps you can get at any parts store will work way better than these ones, but I tried to get 6 of them, but yeah, sadly the store only had 1 in stock. Like which car supplier has only 1 exhaust clamp in stock? It's yeah, it beats me, but I think we're ready for a first startup. Let's go. So guys, I have been driving this same car for a couple of weeks now, and I'm pretty happy with like the sound of the exhaust, but I do gotta say that my Amazon Simmons exhaust sounds a lot better. But it's okay for the price, it's okay. Performance wise, I don't see much improvement, it just sounds funny. But yeah, it's your decision. I think it's an okay exhaust for an okay amount of money, and I think you should buy one. But maybe there are better ones, maybe you can get a custom one for the same price amount, I don't know. But this was it. Thank you for watching. I hope you got some information out of this video, according to, yeah, if you need to buy your own. But I'm just gonna enjoy today. It's nice weather, RPMs 4000 and shift. I love it. I love this car. I love the high RPMs on these B200s I mean. And yeah, this is it. Thank you for watching, guys. My face is gone. All these roundabouts in the Netherlands are crazy, but yeah, thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.